What's up guys, it's me, your Geek. If you don't know, LG V20 phone is selling for less than 200 bucks brand new, so you need to have these 5 cases. So here are the top 5 LG V20 cases. Number 5 case is from Caseology, a simple beautiful case, quite good build, I'm loving it. And number 4 is from Spigen do not need introduction, which is mobile phone case. Industry, leading manufacturer company. I really love it. And number three case is from Ringy. Who need an introduction on Ringy? A simple beautiful case. And number two is from Zizo. If you don't know, LG V20 have one of the best video camera out there. It's for the content creator, so you need a case which can take abuse. Look at this clear case which comes with a bumper on the side. And number one, my favorite, is from the bento top. Look at the beauty of it. This is not the real carbon fiber, but it get the job done. But I am really very happy with the, with the what with the bumper, which means you can drop the phone, still the phone will survive. So it is me, Gmagic. All of the case links are in the description box below. Subscribe.